In this video, I'll go over the 4 best drones for vlogging. Let's take a look.
The first drone on the list is
the DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a lightweight, compact drone weighing under 249 grams, making it exempt from training or examination requirements in many regions, though users should always comply with local laws. It measures 136 x 62 x 165 millimeters folded and 233 x 280 x 79 millimeters unfolded. The drone offers impressive flight capabilities, including a maximum ascent and descent speed of 5 meters per second in sport and normal modes. With slower speeds in sign mode for smooth filming, it can fly horizontally up to 12 meters per second in sport mode, reaching up to 16 meters per second with a tailwind. The maximum takeoff altitude is 3,000 meters. Flight time is notable with a maximum of 31 minutes flying forward at a steady 6 meters per second and a hovering time up to 28 minutes under ideal conditions. The maximum flight distance is 14 kilometers with a wind resistance of up to 10.7 meters per second. It operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -10 to 40 degrees and uses a combination of GPS, Galileo, and Baidu for precise positioning. The DJI Flip's camera supports up to 48 megapixel photos and 4K video recording at up to 100 FPS. It offers various photo modes including single, burst, AEB, and timed shots with formats including JPEG and RAW. Video formats include MP4 with a maximum bitrate of 150 MB per second. The drone's 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilizes footage for smooth video. Sensing capabilities include forward and downward sensors using 3D, infrared, and visual technology, enabling obstacle detection from 0.3 to 8 meters. Video transmission is powered by DJI's O4 system, delivering up to 1080p/60 fps live feed with a maximum transmission distance of up to 13 kilometers under ideal conditions. Powered by a 3110 mAh Li-ion battery, charging times range from 45 to 70 minutes depending on the method. The drone supports fast charging via a battery hub and USB power delivery chargers. Recommended microSD cards ensure optimal storage performance. The DJI Flip is controlled via the DJI Fly app, compatible with iOS 13 and higher and Android 7 and higher, and pairs with the DJI RC N3 remote controller for up to 3.5 hours of use.
Also, if you're interested in any of the covered drones in this video and want to find out the current prices, then you can check out the links in the description or the first pinned comment of this video. The third drone on the list is
the DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ultra-compact, lightweight drone weighing approximately 135 grams, designed for both casual and advanced users. It features a half-inch image sensor capable of capturing 12 megapixel photos and recording 4K videos at 30 FPS. With a fixed f2.8 aperture lens and a wide 170.6 degree field of view, the Neo is optimized for immersive aerial visuals. It offers advanced stabilization options like rock steady and horizon balancing, although only when shooting in 16:9 format. In terms of performance, the Neo supports a max horizontal speed of 60 meters per second in manual mode and can ascend at up to 3 meters per second and descend at 2 meters per second, depending on the flight mode. The drone can reach a maximum altitude of 2,000 meters and has a flight time of up to 18 minutes or 17 minutes when using propeller guards. It boasts a flight range of up to 7 kilometers and withstands wind speeds of up to 8 meters per second. Its positioning system combines GPS, Galileo, and Baidu for reliable navigation, with precise hovering thanks to a downward vision sensor. The video transmission system uses DJI's O4 technology, supporting up to 1080 1080p/60 fps live view with a maximum transmission distance of 10 kilometers. The Neo has 22 gigabytes of internal storage, but does not support external microSD cards. For connectivity, it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and operates on multiple frequency bands depending on regional regulations. The Intelligent Flight Battery 1435 mAh provides power for efficient and fast recharging, taking about 15 minutes via the aircraft or 60 minutes using the charging hub. The DJI RC N3 controller offers a 3.5-hour battery life and supports real-time video transmission and remote control over various frequency bands. With its blend of compact design, powerful camera features, and flight performance, the DJI Neo is a capable and user-friendly drone for both beginners and content creators.
As a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is giving you good value, and let me know in the comments what your favorite drone is. The third drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a high-performance drone combining advanced imaging, impressive flight capabilities, and robust safety features. Weighing 895 grams, it features a compact foldable design with a maximum flight time of 46 minutes and a maximum flight distance of 30 kilometers. It offers extended aerial operation. It can ascend at 8 meters per second and reach horizontal speeds of up to 21 meters per second and withstanding winds up to 12 meters per second. At its core is a Hasselblad 4-thirds CMOS camera with 20 megapixel resolution, variable aperture, and support for JPEG and RAW photos. It captures up to 5.1K video at 50 fps and Full HD at 200 fps for slow motion, supporting formats like MP4 or MOV with a maximum video bitrate of 200 MB per second. Color profiles include normal, D-Log, D-Log-M, and ALG. Digital zoom up to 3 times is available in video mode. Stabilization is provided by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with fine angular vibration control, ensuring smooth footage. Its omnidirectional sensing system combines binocular vision and infrared sensors for obstacle detection on all sides, enhancing safety in flight. Navigation uses GPS, Galileo, and Baidu with hovering precision up to ±0.1 meters vertically. The O3 Plus video transmission system delivers 1080p live view at up to 60 fps with a maximum transmission range of 15 kilometers. Internal storage is 8 GB with support for high-performance microSD cards. Power is provided by a 5000 mAh Li-ion battery offering 77 watt-hours of energy, charged in about 96 minutes. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is classified under the EU's C1 drone category and is guaranteed software support through the end of 2026. The fourth drone on the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a high-performance drone built for advanced aerial photography and videography. Weighing 958 grams, it features a foldable design for portability. It boasts a maximum flight time of 43 minutes and hovering time of 37 minutes with a flight distance of up to 28 kilometers under optimal conditions. The drone includes 3 high-end cameras, a Hasselblad 4-thirds CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels for wide shots, a 1/1.3-inch CMOS medium telephoto, which is 48 megapixel, and a 1/2-inch CMOS telephoto, 12 megapixels. Each camera supports high-resolution stills and professional-grade video. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone uses multiple video sensors and infrared to navigate complex environments safely. It can resist winds up to 12 meters per second and reach speeds of 21 meters per second horizontally, with a maximum altitude of 6,000 meters. For video transmission, the O3 Plus system offers up to 15 kilometers range and live view at 1080p/60 fps with Wi-Fi 6 downloads reaching 80 MBs per second. Latency can be as low as 120 milliseconds with compatible controllers. Storage includes 8 GB with support for high-speed microSD cards. Its 5000 mAh battery charges in as little as 70 minutes using the 100-watt USB-C adapter, and a variety of charging options are available, including car and hub charges. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is classified under EUC2 and supports GPS, Galileo, and Baidu for precise positioning. DJI guarantees software updates through December 31st, 2026, making it a future-ready drone for professionals. These were the drones I carefully researched for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified about future videos. Also, if you're interested in more information about the mentioned drones in this video, then don't forget to check out the links in the description or first pinned comment of this video. See you in the next one.